If you want to make a AI generated video and then see my this video, you can see that this channel income handsome amount salary by making AI generated video. You can make it also. So now see a demo video.
Man, take this food. Eat. Thank you, Mother. Mom. I'm hungry too. You are strong. You don't need food. I may be strong, but I still feel pain.
Assalamualaikum guys, I am MD Tahabi Sharia. In this video I will tell you how to make a AI generated video. Okay, let's go to see that. So here is our desktop and now we go to Chrome browser for make that video, AI generated video. Okay, I close this YouTube tab and go to Gemini AI. So here we need to type for a prompt. That prompt will give a photo and image. Okay, I paste this prompt and you can copy it on my description and paste it. You can get a video image for like me, and then I have to paste here a new prompt that will give a new image for me, and I download that two image on my desktop. Okay, so as you can see that here is my two image and I download it from Gemini AI, and now I will give this image story to ChatGPT. So here is ChatGPT. Here I first command to ChatGPT by this prompt and it will give a long story for me, and I don't want a long story, I want a short story. That's why I only give the dialogue and it will provide me only the dialogue. So here is my picture as you can see, and I copy this dialogue and go to 11 Labs and paste it. So this is our 11 Labs dashboard, and now we have to go text to speech options as you can see, and here I paste my dialogue and also it will be take some time and generate a speech for me, and I also can download here. So this is our Pixverse AI. It will convert image to video. I will show you in my previous video, and I also upload my two image previously on Pixverse, and I select my first image to generate a video, and I start for making a video, and it will take some time, and I wait for it result, and as you can see here is our result. Our video is already completed. So now I can download this video from here, and now I cross this video and I pressed a new video, that is our second image. So I give a prompt, and that prompt is Hulk is walking in a village road, and I want type up like that video. That's why I give this prompt and then I generate this video. So as you can see that here is a video already generated. Here is our Hulk video. We can download our second video from here, and now I close this window and now I go to CapCut. So here is our CapCut project. I include my two images here, and then I find my AI generated voice. Here is my voice, and I also import my this voice in this project. And after I cut the extra voice and edit something, and then our video is already ready to export. So this is the processing. You can make a Hulk video and you can earn money from making video. If you like this video, and then subscribe my channel. Bye bye.